Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert a picture to your notes on the Microsoft OneNote application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And after that you should tap on the sticky notes icon down below, which is the third option. Then select a note from your sticky notes list to which you would like to add your photo, or you have the chance to create a completely new note by tapping on the plus icon, but I'm going to choose an already existing one. After that, click on the text itself or the page, and then select the first option, which is the camera function in the middle of the screen. And you have two possibilities here. You can either select a picture from your gallery, or you can take a picture with your phone. So click on the relevant option, and now click on OK in order to to allow OneNote application to access your camera. And now you will be able to take a picture. And then, as you can see, you can still add a new photo by clicking on the add button down below. Crop your picture, tapping on the button confirm. If you are satisfied with the result, you can rotate it into any directions, and also delete it and retake it by tapping on the delete button. But if you are ready to insert it, just click on the button down below the right side corner. So as you can see, you have successfully inserted your photo that you have just taken with your phone. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.